Hey friends, Kendra here. We're back with another look, and this time it's a rod set. So if you guys are interested in how I got this look, definitely keep watching. All right, you guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. And as you can tell, I have somewhat corrected my color. So I will have all the color information down below if you're interested. But I went ahead and I did half of my hair. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do the top of my hair. It's pretty much the same. If you've watched any of my rod sets, then you know the deal. But I'm going to be using the Texture ID foaming mousse. And I'm going back to the old school method of using a mousse because it's just so lightweight. It gives a great shine, and it's the only product you really need. So as you can see, I just took a section, detangled, and now I'm adding the rod. The most important thing to note when adding your rod is to take care of those ends. Make sure the ends are wrapped on there nice and tightly. And I did a little swirl here because I wanted my curl to hang. So all of these rods on the top are gonna have a hanging effect, and I'm not gonna roll it on top of the hair. I'm not gonna roll the hair on top of each other, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna roll it up a little bit, and then I'm going to do a swoop-de-doop there. I don't know what you would call that, but it basically allows for the curl to become a spiral curl. Instead of just one curl that's curled around itself, it's gonna allow the curl to hang, and that's where I get most of my height from on the top of my head. So I'm using a larger rod as well because my hair is a bit longer than I thought. It has grown out, so these larger rods are gonna give me lots of volume, and I'm getting a little length with it. So I'm all done rodding my hair, and now I'm just going to take a little bit of oil and rub it in the palms of my hands, and just to prevent any frizz, and while I'm taking out my rods. And I'm going to go ahead and remove my rods. After I remove them, I'm going to separate my hair and then pick it out. But I wanted to go back to my hair color. I just basically deposited a hair color on top of my hair, one color, and that color would be down in the description box. I also colored my gray hairs a dark brown color on the sides, so I have done that, and I love the look of this color. It's giving me like a blue black type of vibe, as you can see here. But you can see how the curls on top are kind of hanging, and then the curls in the back are kind of wrapped on top of each other. That's just how I do it to create more volume and more height. And again, I'm going to separate with that oil on my hands just to prevent any frizz. And after I separate, I'm going to be picking my hair. So I did a trim recently, and my hair is feeling healthier than ever. I actually just took out my faux locks, and so my hair has grown out a bit. But yeah, you guys, I am totally loving it. I'm loving this color most of all. It is so cute. So yeah, and I'm just here picking my hair away, getting rid of some of those parts that I see, and creating more height and volume. And that's it to this rod set, y'all. This was just on the whim. I said, I want to do a rod set. Why don't I just film it? And I hadn't done one in a while, and I love the way it looks on the shape of my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am totally loving the curls. The Texture ID foaming mousse did a great job. I have some great shine, and my hair is super soft, so definitely give that a try. And check the description box for the color information. It will be down there. And as always, I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye.